Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, I am Shreyoshi and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a vlog again, and currently I am in mood to do like more vlogs. So I just woke up 15 minutes ago. I have brushed my teeth, I haven't washed my face because I am going to take shower within just a minute after shooting this clip. I am having now nimbu pani, garam nimbu pani, and today is going to be a very fun day, hopefully. So the plan for today is that first I am going to go to a shopping mall, not like a shopping mall typically. It's like यहाँ पर सब कुछ है, shopping mall, cinema hall and everything. It's a very big place. I'm going to show you. So I will go there, and first I am going to give me a new look to me. I'm very excited for that. I'm going to show you. I'm not going to reveal it right now. Second, I'm going to go for a lunch with my best friend after like a year, and then we are going to go to watch a movie, and I'm so excited for that. So anyways, now I'm going to take shower and we'll catch you within just 15 minutes. So I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. So wait. Okay, so I took my shower and you may can hear a noise, which is the noise of fan. It's so hot that I couldn't like off the fan. So now I'm going to use toner, a vitamin C toner, क्योंकि March का मेरी skin care you already know that. So I'm not going to repeat that. So I'm just using toner. Now it's time for serum. For serum I am going to use this. This is L'Oreal Paris 1.2% hyaluronic acid serum. I am like obsessing over to this product. This is such a beautiful product, and if you haven't tried it, you should. No matter what skin type you have, you are going to love this. And on top of it, I am going to use this Lakme 925 matte moisturizer, and I recently got this, like I have shown you on my last vlog. So I am going to use it. I am going to try it and let's see कि कैसा है ये. It's almost in like gel based. This is not in cream based, so that's why I picked with this up, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है and my skin is hell oily, so I really don't want to top it off with a heavy coat of moisturizer. It's a damn matte moisturizer. Hopefully it will control my oil secretion. On top of it, I am going to use Wow sunscreen. It has SPF 55 in it. I have a full video on it. This is like my current obsession. I have run out this much, so I am going to use it. And this is a thick sunscreen. When you feel it, it feels really very thick, but when you apply it, it will like absorb into your skin within just a second. So I am going to take very little amount of sunscreen, not too much. It's also too much, so I am going to use it on my neck. So now I am going to have my breakfast, and then I am going to get ready little bit. I am not going to use too much of foundation and concealer, nothing, very less amount of product, and I am going to show that on my Instagram. So if you want to see that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Show you that I am going to wear this today. I don't think you can understand now. This is basically a t-shirt dress, and I love this. I bought this from Beowulf. I am going to do a haul, and the material is so soft. I am going to wear this, and it's full sleeve, so it's better to wear full sleeve at summer to avoid tanning. Hi guys, I am ready to go, and I did like very minimum makeup, and my outfit is really very cool. I am going to show you in just a second, and you can't see it right now. It's a basically baggy t-shirt dress, and I have bought this from Beowulf, and I completely love this. And I'm not going to my hair is mess because I'm going to give me a new look anyway. So yeah, I'm not mind about my hair. I'm going to be beautiful in just a few seconds, क्योंकि next clip वही होगा. Okay, so this is my outfit. Can you see? It's really cool. And here is my charger. Anyway, leave that. And I completely love this. This is a beautiful baggy dress and perfect for summer. I'm going to do haul. Don't worry, and please ignore the background noises. It's a vlog, you can hear that. And now I have to say you goodbye, and I have to leave now, so bye. Hi guys, I am here after like almost more than 1 year with my best friend. Okay, he is very shy, and really he came to camera. So anyways, I'm going to cut my hair. I reveal finally, and we'll be right back. I'm very excited to cut my hair. Almost after more than 1 year, I'm going to cut my hair. It's tremendously hot, but my makeup is intact. Anyways, I'm going to catch you guys in just a minute. Hi guys. Hi guys, so we come here to for movie after 1.5 years. Don't worry, I have mask just to take the footage. मैंने वो खोला है. Anyways, I am not supposed to talk here, so I can't talk more. So see you guys after movie. Bye. And by the way, हम लोग रूही देखने आए हैं. Bye. Hi you guys, I am back home and I am super exhausted because like बाहर जाने की अब तो फिलहाल आदत ही छूट गई है. And if you ask me like the movie rating, I will give it like 4/5. Some people maybe will not like it, but I love it. It's a really entertaining movie. If you want to find any logic or anything, you can't. So just for refreshment and like for chill mood, for like friends के साथ मस्ती के लिए अगर आप देखना चाहते हो तो it's a perfect movie. Definitely go and watch that video. Definitely go and watch that movie. I completely love it. And let me just give you my makeup update. So yeah, this is my makeup. You can totally see that कि कहीं पर भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि वो makeup हट गया है. Yeah, it's extremely sweaty. My mascara, look at my mascara, like Swiss Beauty hats off. My tint is there. Lipstick नहीं है because I have a problem of leaking 1000 times and that's when उसके ऊपर से मैंने पेस्ट्री भी खाया था. So the pastry has like a oily consistency, that's why ये चला गया है. And that was not the liquid lipstick, that was like the bullet lipstick. Lipstick review is beautiful. The lipstick is so freaking beautiful. That was Lakme lip color, absolute lip color I guess, and the shade was I think Rust. Okay, so front पे मैंने layer किया है like इतना तक मैंने layer किया है. You can see that my layers are like we and front से layer है and back से मेरा पहले भी से भी bob कट था, so इसीलिए back was like very short front के हिसाब से. So back मैंने जैसा था वैसे ही straight cutting किया है. So now I'm going to quickly change. And by the way, this dress review, this dress is freaking beautiful. I am going to definitely attach the dress link niche. And by the way, this is in the size small, and yeah, you can see that it has like a baggy hand and also it has like a pocket. Hi guys, I am back and yes, I forgot to shoot the outro part again, so here I am to say you goodbye. And let me know in the comment down below what you prefer, like going to theater or like watching movie from home. Personally, I love to watch movie and with my friends and family and in theater, by the way, not in like home. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this and I will try to do more vlogs. It seems like you guys really liking my vlogs though, and honestly I am also enjoying this kind of a lifestyle video. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, stay safe, and if possible stay at home. Bye bye.